How to install the clock movement onto the wall clock. Step 1. Place the iron hook over the movement shaft. And then put a black rubber pad on top of the hook. Pass the movement through the clock panel, ensuring that the hook on the back is aligned with the 12 o'clock position. Step 2. Fit on the washer retainer and tighten the nut. Please note that the upper part of the iron hook should be aligned with the 12 o'clock direction. You can use a plier for assistance to tighten the nut. Step 3. Install the hands. These hands should be placed with the front side up and the back side down, and then pressed onto the movement shaft. Press the hour hand parallel to the clock panel, towards the 12 o'clock direction. Do the same for the minute hand, pressing it flat, towards the 12 o'clock direction. Also press the second hand flat towards the same direction. Please note that the hour, minute, and second hands should be parallel to each other. Step 4. Prepare a new AA battery. Match the positive pole of the battery to the corresponding positive terminal in the battery slot. Insert the positive pole of the battery into the battery slot first, followed by the negative pole. Step 5. Finally, turn the time adjusting knob to set the correct current time. And the installation of the clock is complete.